Hi everyone, again between you all to share my own view. Today in this video, we learn about the direction lock. With the help of this lock, we make our phone more secure. And if anybody want to unlock your device, he unable or she unable to unlock it because in the direction lock there is no pattern and password will come. So for non-receipt, let's begin the video. Simply you have to open your Play Store and you search for direction lock. This application I had already installed on my phone, so you have to open it. And after that you have to on it, and here you have to fill the password. And after that you have to set the direction, that in which direction you may unlock your device. So I'm selecting. After that continue. Same for confirmation. And let's see how it's work. Let me see this thing. Here is lock. Nobody know that how it's unlocked because here is pattern and password is not coming. So simply you have to fill your direction here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my device is unlocked. So I hope like this you may make phone more secure. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the next video, and thank you all of you.